For over 200 years, we've been taught a fundamental lie, that you have to choose a side. On Monday through Friday, you look at the world through the cold lens of science. On Sunday, you put on the coat of faith. We've locked reality into separate cubicles. But here is the truth. The universe doesn't have cubicles. There is only one reality. Science isn't the enemy of God. Science is simply the reverse engineering of the Creator's source code. It's the disciplined study of how the engine was built. And once you understand the physics, the ancient stories start looking like operational logs. Think of our universe like an insanely advanced multiplayer video game. Physicists spend their entire lives studying the pixels, the light rendering, and the gravity engine inside the game. That's science. Religion, at its pure core, is reading the developer's manual, understanding why the server was built, and how to keep your character from crashing. Look at the ancient texts. John 1:1 says, "In the beginning was the Word." In the original Greek, that word is logos, which literally translates to logic, reason, or information. When a programmer creates a digital world, they don't dig a hole, they write code. When God said, "Let there be light," he inputted fundamental information into the void. Modern quantum physics now agrees. Information is more fundamental than matter. Matter is just condensed code. The Big Bang wasn't a random coincidence. It was the moment the developer hit execute. What about the supernatural? Let's talk geometry. Imagine an ant walking on a flat sheet of paper. It only understands 2 dimensions: left, right, forward, back. If you press your 3D finger down onto that paper, the ant doesn't see a whole human. It sees a mysterious circle appear out of thin air. Lift your finger, and it vanishes. To the ant, that's a miracle. To you, it's just basic 3D movement. Advanced physics, like M-theory, shows that our universe has at least 10 or 11 dimensions. Higher dimensional beings, angels, or non-human intelligence aren't doing magic. They are simply stepping in and out of our 3D page. What we call the supernatural is just higher dimensional natural physics. And what about sin? In physics, the second law of thermodynamics states that without energy input, every closed system decays into chaos. That's entropy. Sin is simply moral and structural entropy, actions that introduce noise, corruption, and systemic failure into the simulation. When you align your life with the developer's design, you inject low entropy order into your world. It's time to stop keeping your mind in boxes, Papa. Open your eyes. Read the code, study the mechanics, and appreciate the architect. Welcome to the class where science and faith finally speak the same language.